With the design of this new house in Collaroy, we wanted to create a sense of drama with some large void spaces and a kind of art gallery feel. We have split levels to stay up high for the best views from the front, while keeping the rear living area close enough to the rear garden. The living space is also double height and is essentially the main event around which everything else in the house happens. There's also a media room, an all-purpose room and plenty of kitchen space, including a huge walk-in pantry. Upstairs is also split level to keep the main bedroom higher again for better views of the beach. Part of the brief was to make the remaining 3 bedrooms all the exact same size to keep the kids happy. Having 3 young kids myself, this is something that I can totally relate to. We've also created a large entertaining deck that connects to the garden. As the house is mostly white, the owner's love of art and her garden are 2 things that will continually evolve and really make this place feel like home. For me, a house should be about the lives and the interests of the people who live in it, and I'm very happy to be able to create a backdrop for these things to be expressed.